Hello, students. Hi, how are you? I hope you're all fine, right? And you're enjoying your days and online classes. Okay, students, today I have come with a very beautiful story. It is a very good story, very beautiful story. Okay, so the selfish jade. Uh, we will learn. Okay, we will see about we will learn about this selfish giant. Okay, this selfish giant we will learn about. So let us move on, let us start the story, the selfish giant. So enjoy it, listen it carefully, and enjoy this lesson. Okay, yes, let us move. The selfish giant. Every afternoon, as they were coming from school, the children So every afternoon. So what these children were doing after finishing their school, every afternoon they were coming from school. Okay, they were coming from school, and what these children were doing after coming from school, they were going to play in the Jane's garden. Okay, they were going to play in the Jane's garden. So Jane, he is a person. Okay, very big person. Okay, it is a mythical. Okay, it is just an imagination. So a very big person, just like a human. Okay, Jane means a very big. He's not a normal person, normal human being. He's a very big human being. So their children after school they were going to the garden, Jane's garden, and they were playing. So how the garden was? The garden, it was very lovely and it was very large, big garden it was. Okay, the garden was very big. So the garden, it was full of soft green grass. It was full of green grass. So such a beautiful garden it was. So in the garden, here and there, okay, in the garden, in the grasses, here and there were beautiful flowers. Okay, beautiful flowers were there, just like stars. They were looking like stars, and there were 12 peach trees. So peach, it is a fruit. Okay, peach is a fruit. So it had in that garden, there were 12 peach trees. Okay, peach fruit trees were there, and in the springtime, that peach trees, they were broken out into delicate blossoms. So the flowers, the peach tree was filled with in the autumn, that is the spring season. Okay, during the spring season, that peach tree would be full of white and pink and pearl flowers. Okay, it was full of pink flowers and pearl flowers, and in autumn bore rich fruits, and in autumn season, that is in the spring season, it was giving fruits. Okay, the tree was giving the fruits. So what the birds were doing? The birds used to sit on the tree and they were singing, and their singing was so beautiful. Okay, it was melodious. They were singing very beautifully and melodious, so that these children, they were stopping to play and they used to stand and listen to that bird singing. Such a beautifully the bird used to sing. What the children, they were talking with each other, they were saying to each other that how happy we are here, so we feel very happy, we are enjoying here, how happy we are here, they used to say to each other. So one day what happened, the giant, okay, came back to his home. Okay, the giant, he came back to his home one day. So where he had gone, the giant, he had gone to his friend's house. Okay, he had gone to visit his friend's house the Cornish ogre. Okay, this Cornish ogre, he is a giant monster. It is believed that he was eating human beings. Okay, this Cornish ogre, it is said that he was eating human beings. Okay, so he came back from his friend's home. So for how many years he was with his friend? He was for 7 years he had stayed with his friend. So he thought for 7 years he was stayed there, and he had said all that he had to say. So he had done all the conversation, he had finished all his works. So everything, it was limit. Now he was getting bored. Now he didn't had any work to do there. There was nothing to talk with his friend also, because whole 7 years he was there in his friend's house. So what he did, he determined. Determined means he decided. Okay, the giant, he decided to come back to his castle, come back to his home. Castle means it is a big house. So when this giant came to his home, he saw that the children were playing in his garden. Okay, he saw that these children, they were playing in the garden, they were enjoying in the garden. What are you doing here? So the giant, when he saw the children playing, he asked, "What are you doing here?" Okay, he said that, "What are you doing here?" He wasn't angry. He cried. So how he said in a very rough voice, very loudly, he asked to the children. So for that, what happened? Children ran away from that garden. They got fear by seeing this giant, and they ran away from that garden. So he said that my own garden is my own garden. So this garden is mine. Anyone can understand that, he said. So that means this garden is only his, only Jane's. Belongs to only Jane. Only Jane will be there. No one will come here. Okay, he said. So he said that I will not allow anyone to get inside my garden and to play. And I will play here myself. I will enjoy it. So this is my garden. No one should come here, he said. So what he did, he built around his garden. What he did, he built a high wall. Okay, a wall he built. High walls he built around his garden, and he put a notice board. So on that notice board, he put a notice board. What was written on this notice board? So he wrote on the notice board, he built a high walls, and he wrote on the notice board saying that trespassers will be prosecuted. So trespassers means what? A person without anyone permission who get inside. Okay, the person who get inside. Okay, for other in others property. Okay, a person enters in someone's property without permission. Okay, without asking permission, if a person goes into some other's property, for them we call as trespassers. And what he said, they will be prosecuted. Prosecuted means what? Punished. Okay, such kind of person will be punished. So this giant, he was a very selfish giant. He was only thinking about himself. Okay, he was very selfish giant. He want to be happy. He don't want to see anyone happy. Okay, he don't want anyone to get inside his property. Such a person he was. But these poor children, now they didn't had any place to play. Okay, they didn't got any place to play. They were not able to play anywhere. So they tried to play on the road, but what happened, that road was very dusty, it was full of dust, and it had a hard stones there, it was full of stones, and it was very problematic. Okay, they were facing the problem to play on that road, and they were not liking to play on that road also. So what the children were doing after their lesson, that is after coming from school, they used to wander, they used to roam around that wall. Okay, they used to roam, walk around that wall, and they used to talk about, they were talking about the beautiful garden which is inside that wall. They were missing that garden very much. These children were missing the garden very much. So they used to stand outside and they used to say that how happy we were there. We were very happy playing in that garden. So it was very beautiful garden and we were playing very happily there. They used to say it to each other. So the spring season came. So the spring season came, and all over the place, all over the country, it was full of flowers. Okay, little blossoms means full of flowers, and birds, little birds were there. But in the garden of selfish giant, in his garden, still the winter was there. So in the winter season, what will happen? We can't see any trees. Okay, the trees will be empty, they will be not having any flowers, any leaves, nothing will be there, and also birds will also not there. We can't see the flowers also during the winter season. So that is what happened in this selfish giant's garden. It was still winter, the trees were covered with snow, still winter was there. So what the selfish Jane said, he said that he didn't understood why the spring has not come yet, why it is late, why to my garden spring has not come. He said to himself. So he sat and he saw from outside the window. He saw that his garden is full of snow. It is covered with snow. It is cold. It is still winter. By seeing that, he said that why spring has not come yet. So he thought that maybe there is a change in a weather. I think the weather is changed. But he waited for spring, the giant, he waited for spring, but the spring didn't came, and also summer also didn't came. It was full cold. Okay, still winter was there in the giant's garden. So the autumn, that is the spring season, it gave fruits for everywhere. So all over the country, everywhere there was autumn and it gave fruits. But in the Jane's garden, she didn't give none because there was winter. In the Jane's garden, the spring did not came. So the autumn, the spring season, it said that the giant is very selfish. He only thinks of himself. Okay, she said, and also she said that so there is always winter in the giant's garden. So what was there in the giant's garden? It was full of winter. There was snowfall was there, hail was there. Okay, okay, the wind was there, north wind was there, frost was there, so everything was there, only cold, it was full of cold, and the snow was dancing, the snow was falling on the trees. Okay, the trees were full of snow in the giant's garden. So one morning he was laying on his bed and he was awake. He was not sleeping, he was awake. At that time he heard a very beautiful music, lovely music, beautiful music he heard. So it was a linnet. Okay, a small bird. Linnet means what? A little small bird. It was singing outside his window. But it was so long since he heard a bird singing. So from long time, this Jane, he had not heard the bird singing. So that is why, so from so many days, he had so many months, this giant, he had not listened to the beautiful music. So for this giant, that linnet's song, okay, that small bird song was looking very beautiful. Okay, it was the world's most beautiful music for him at that time, because from so many days he had not heard the music, he had not heard the bird sound, song. So what happened at that time when Linux was singing? So that hail, it stopped dancing over his head. Means it stopped. The hail stopped, and the north wind ceased roaring. Means the wind, it will make the sound. No, the you might have heard when wind blows, it will make the sound that is called as roaring. So the wind sound, that roaring, the wind stopped. Okay, now the wind also stopped in his garden, and a delicious, very beautiful perfume smell came to reach the nose of that giant. So through the open casement. So casement means what? The window part, which can be what? It will be vertical. Like we can open it like a what door. Okay, from window, the beautiful fragrance, the beautiful smell was coming. So he thought that, I believe the spring has come at last. Finally, the spring came. So he said, finally the spring came to my garden. He said he became happy. He jumped out of his bed and looked outside from the window. So what he saw, what the giant saw from the window, he saw a very beautiful sight. Something very beautiful he saw. So there in the wall, there was a small hole. So from that small hole, the children had got inside. They had come inside and they were sitting on the branches of the tree. On each and every tree, the children were sitting. So in every tree, a little child was sitting. You can see in the picture now. So a little child was sitting on every tree. So the trees, they become happy, okay, because the children returned. So they covered themselves with the blossom, that is the flowers. So flowers were there in the tree. So these trees become happy. So what the trees were doing? They were waving their branches very gently, very softly on the head of the children. So the birds, what the birds were doing? They were flying on the trees and they were twittering with delight, with happiness. Okay, with a lot of happiness, they were twittering, they were making the sound. They were making the chirping sound. So, and the flowers, had grown. They were looking up through the green grasses. All over the garden, there were flowers from the green grasses. And they were laughing. The flowers were laughing. So it was very lovely scene. Children were there. They were sitting on the trees. So the tree was very green and it was full of blossoms. Okay, flowers everywhere. There were flowers in the garden. So it was very beautiful to look. But in one corner, okay, in one corner of the garden, there was still a winter was there. There was still winter was there. So it was the farthest, the corner was very far. Okay, it was very far, and the little boy was standing there. You can see here in the picture, a little boy was standing there. So he was very small and he was not able to climb the tree. He was not able to reach the branches of the tree. So he was wandering, he was rounding the tree, and he was crying bitterly because he was not able to climb the tree. Very badly, he was crying. The poor tree, okay, the pitiful tree, it was still covered with frost and snow. Still on the tree, snow was there. And the north wind was blowing and roaring above it. And the north wind, the wind was blowing and roaring above the tree. Still winter was there. So the tree said to the boy to climb up, little boy. And the tree, what it did, it bent its branches down. How much it is possible, it bent its branches. So, but the little boy, he was too small, he was too tiny that even the tree was not able to reach this boy. And the giant, he was seeing at that, okay, at that little tiny boy. And when he saw that, his heart melted. Okay, his heart felt very bad. He felt very bad by seeing that. So he said that how selfish I was. Okay, how selfish I was. I was only thinking about myself. How selfish I was, he thought, he said to himself. Now I understood. He said that now I understood why the spring has not come. Why the spring came so late in my garden. Now I understood, the giant said to himself. So he said, I will go outside and I will put that poor little boy on the top of the tree, he said. And then I will break down the wall. Knock down means I will break the wall, what I had built around the garden. And my garden will be the children's playground. Okay, children will come and play here. So the garden will belong to the children forever and ever. So he felt very sorry. Okay, the giant felt very sorry what he had done. He had built the wall, no, and he did not allow the children to get inside his garden. So for that, he felt very bad. He felt very sorry. So what the Jane did, he just came down the stairs and he opened the front door very softly, very silently. He opened the door and he went to the garden. So, but the children, when they saw the Jane coming, they got frightened. Okay, they got fear and they ran away from the garden. Again, the garden became winter. Again, the winter came into the garden because there were no children in the garden. Only the little boy who was standing in the corner, he did not run away. Because his eyes were full of tears. He was crying and he was not able to see the giant coming. So he was standing there itself in the corner. And the giant, he stole up, means he quietly, he went near the boy, he went back to the boy and he lifted the boy gently in his hand. And he put the boy, he made the boy to sit on the tree. And the trees was full of flowers now. Okay, the winter went and the tree was full of flowers and the birds started to sing on it. And the little Jane, he started to play with this little boy. So what the boy did, he put his hands around the Jane's neck and he kissed the Jane. So the children, they peeped, okay, they saw that Jane, he was not wicked, he was not cruel now, he was not bad now, because he was playing with the small kid, okay, small child. So what the other children did who had run away, they came back to the garden. And along with the children, the spring also came. So the giant, he said that now it is your garden, little children. So this garden belongs to you. He said, the giant said. He took a great axe and knocked down the wall. So he took a big axe and he destroyed. Okay, he break the wall. Knock down means he break the wall. And then and the people of that place, what they were doing when they were going to the market at 12 o'clock, so what they were doing, they were seeing at the Jane's garden and they were seeing that it was a very beautiful garden and the Jane, he was playing with the children and it was a very beautiful scene they had never saw. It was a very beautiful garden that they have never saw. Okay, children. So this is the end of the story. I think you people have understood this story very well. Right, children? Okay, then. Now I will take leave. Bye. Take care. Okay.